scrapping in a long time, so we'll see if there's anything out. I don't even know if they started back with the. Look at that lady. Looks like she has no pants on.
Oh, it really does.
Because I'm not sure if they are putting out the bulk stuff, but I've noticed that people have been putting out bulk stuff for the scrappers all along. And if no one picks it up, then they have to pick it up and take it back in till whenever. And that's how they learn. not to do that. All right, let's see what we could find. All right, we've already found a little something. Some little tables.
Only the frames are metal. You still want them?
Should we take them?
Take the tops off, the trays off.
That's true. Throw them in there. We'll take them.
Pop it. What is that?
Should we take this Christmas tree? Huh?
I would rather not.
Well, it's in a box. It's a cute little table.
Yeah, if it wasn't for that, it would be a keeper.
For what?
Oh, there's lots of Christmas lights in here.
Nice. Ow. There's Christmas lights?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get those. Like these?
That one looks kind of banged up inside.
Alright. Alright. Any other metals? Alright. I know some people would like us to take this chair, but
it's too much work taking it apart and starting.
The cushioning.
Stuff we don't need.
Not too bad. A little something. It was a beautiful day in the very merry month of May today.
Got a lot of yard work done. I want you to see if you... Wait, put the window back. Never mind. I want you to see if you can see my reflection. I look like a flapper from the 20s with this thing on.
Stop looking around. Hold your head straight.
Forgot my gloves. Garbage. No. Nothing that looks good. Except to see the tail of a mermaid. Barbie mermaid score. Whole bag of dollies. You know. Now I got presents for Christmas and the kids wanted to play Secret Santa the other day.
Okay, good.
The kids wanted to play Secret Santa the other day, and guess who gets to be Santa? They said, "Do you have any presents?" So now I got presents. Oh. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh no, there's a pink one too. My goodness, what the... Don't look, boys. She's not in a very ladylike position. And she's very naked. But damn, is she cute. I'm not gonna say, but that resembles someone I know. Oh, look! Oh, this one has purple hair. Man, alive. Blue hair. Oh, but she's an amputee. An intense looking amputee. Maybe the rest of her arms are in there. If not, you know, my cousin's in there. They just burned Barbies. Don't know why they would never let me pretend like there was an accident. They just pretend like they're... Oh, looks like that one had an accident in her chair, but that is a cool chair.
Ew. Look at that stuff on the chair.
I don't know. I don't think Barbies really poop, so I'm gonna guess chocolate. Oh, another amputee. What were they doing to these girls' arms? Got hair extensions. We got it all. Secret Santa is awesome. Clothes that none of them are wearing, so there's lots of them in here. See, that's the thing. When real little girls have Barbies, they can't... Oh! Fuzzy pink bed we missed there. Alright. Enough. Did you hear it? Is it on?
Yeah.
Hello.
Well, that's a big industrial size one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's big.
Oh, holy shit. 1, 2, 3.
Just put it down there, I'll roll it.
Oops. I'll just put my finger in front of the camera.
Right, any other metal parts?
That's plastic.
Alright. Excellent. See that thing?
Okay. Yeah, that's a knife or something.
Actually, just cut that.
Yeah, that's
part
what I
off.
was thinking.
Let's see here. I'll take this too. I'll just do that part at home. Oh yeah, we're getting all the metals now. I was talking to the camera.
Talking to the pigs?
Yeah. Should we take the door too?
No.
Alright. It's got some good brass pieces on it though, but
You know, it took forever to process it, and it jumped up the yard that we just cleaned.
oh, I see all kinds of stuff there. Get the clippers. Alright, I'll just cut it. Alright, how about you? See an old book in there.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
You can look here.
I don't know if I want this one.
Plastic.
Yeah. Alright, I'll just take the cord. They can have all the plastic.
Is there anything else?
No, I just thought I would record it.
Beautiful glider. Nicer than the one we had.
Let's get-
You do it the upside down so it doesn't get as caught on stuff.
I just thought we would get more of that with the other way so we could get in there. Now we're going to have a trapped hole.
Okay, then we don't have to go far into it. You can do it the way you want it.
Come on.
But you're gonna get a hold of it. Wait, let me fix this. So it's not. Okay.
See if we could get something underneath there that would make it worthwhile.
Maybe we'll get some small pieces.
freaking chairs. Maybe you have to go in through this way. Been missing all of the clean outs. I'm gonna get that plug. Alright, I don't want this. Actually, that's going to help us. I think it might help us get it into that space.
Right here.
1, 2, 3. One, two, three. All right, get out of the way. Let me get it. What's it hooked on? All right. We're gonna have to take that out again. All right, let's get this in, is wherever we can get it. We'll try to get it in there, okay? Now would be a good time to see if you could get these done. Why do we always have such a hard time with these? Let's see if we can get it the other way. All right. You always got to put the hardest things in first. Alright, how are we going to get this in here? Alright, get rid of this thing here. I knew this was going to be a fucking bitch. Alright, can we do it like this? No. Like this. Yeah. Okay. We're not going to take these little pieces, although they would be nice.
How about the ladder?
What kind?
Can you get the ladder? That would make it easier.
Yeah. Just hurry, because this is a very... Alright, here you go. Here, you could use this. What is it? Easter stuff? Man. Oh my God, there's a bunch of them in there.
Crayola. I gotta get this one, please.
Maybe you should get in there. Get in there.
I'm going.
I'll help you out. Alright, there's merch right under your foot.
I know, but I gotta go for the Crayola.
Oh my God, there's a ton of stuff in here. Oh my gosh. Here, let's just fill this box. What?
Bring the box back.
Holy mackerel, I'm glad we stopped here.
We've never looked in this one before. I can't believe it.
Are you putting stuff in that one now? All right. Is that it? Another blazer.
I see another ball.
Is there shoes?
Everybody's getting their own ball.
Are you done?
Physically, mentally, or emotionally.
We have enough room for this stuff. Is there shoes in there? No, just one.
There's another one. That one's around.
Running out of room. Running out of room.
Sure, how I'm gonna get up there. I don't know what stuff.
All right, hold on a second. Let me get the merch in.
It's at the top. It's on my hand. It's a third outfit completely destroyed today.
I don't want this box, do you? get rid of this stuff. Do you think we got the other one of these boots?
Where does it open?
Nowhere.
Where are we going to get the ladder back?
Holy crap, guys.
Well, the kids wanted Christmas, but we're having Easter again. There's enough presents for Christmas, Easter, Memorial Day, 4th of July, their birthdays for the next 5 years.
Wow, guys.
You know, I've already worked so hard today, and this means like 18
No, we
more
did a bunch
hours.
of weeding.
I've been cleaning the kitchen, I've been working in the yard, and now, Jesus.
Wow. Holy
Now
crap.
we're gonna fill our whole house with
Now,
toys
should
and
we
candy.
stop? We're here, so, but I don't know
Yeah.
where we put it.
I know, if there is anything, we got no room. We'd have to squeeze it in.
Well, we're here, so we gotta look. Wow, I can't believe that. We have to go to the
toys
flea
in those
market,
baskets
man.
are high end. These are the high end baskets, honey. Those are, there's
Well, those
basketballs,
toys
soccer
aren't
balls.
very good.
No, they are.
No.
These ones are. These are better than the ones we found before, honey. These aren't dollar store. There were some good toys in these. And plenty of them.
Oh, we don't have any pets, so.
They're dropping like flies.
Alright, we don't really have room for anything else.
I got a long night of sorting ahead of me.
Yeah, let's get this together and take some pictures and wrap it up so people can see it in totality.
Oh, we haven't even seen it. I was just
Seriously.
throwing stuff.
We were trying to
She
get
was
out of there. We
letting it.
never got stuff from there before. We've never been to that one before.
But I've been yelled at for being in dumpsters on that side of the building before. The other side, we never got. Well, one time someone said, please don't mess up our garbage. And we said, we're not the ones. We clean it up. But on the other side, I did get yelled at back in the day. And we haven't even gone over there because I didn't know there was anything good. But apparently City Trends has moved in and they didn't sell their Easter stuff.
Yeah.
And it
And
looks
the
like
clothing.
good stuff. Oh my God. I can't wait to wash that up and see what
Yeah. We definitely have to hit up the flea market. Because we're getting too much stuff. But
The
we'll
garage
see.
and basement is full. Like, if we sold everything for 50 cents, we would come out
Yeah,
with tons of
I'm
we
not
got
really
so much
so
stuff.
sure about going to the flea market
I know,
yet.
I'm scared, but
But it
we
is
got so
outdoor,
much stuff.
and if we just stay away from other people,
and
but
wearing
you know,
masks and gloves.
it's like a lot of work going to. You have to get up
Yeah.
at 5 a.m. You know, get your spot set up. So
But we have so much stuff to sell. We're gonna walk
we
away
have to go soon.
with some money, no matter what.
So stay tuned. See you at home. Okay, here we are, guys.
Can you even believe it? And these baskets are filled with a little bit higher end toys than the Dollar Tree was. Some of these baskets had price tags for $20 on them. LOL, Batman.
Yeah, a lot of
Coloring
them, like
sets,
this one's
Crayola.
$8.99, but like some of them are $20.
Like, I bet that one's a $20 one. The Dark Batman, Dark Knight. The LOL one's probably an expensive one. The Troll one's an expensive one.
A lot of them have balls.
Yes, we got enough balls for every kid in the neighborhood. We got
That one's
basketballs,
cool.
soccer balls, bouncy balls, kickballs. The eggs, all the eggs we got this time are filled. They're Paw Patrol or Unicorn, and they're filled with candy, every egg. And we got tons of them. But again,
All right, let's talk about the clothes we
So
got
many.
out.
Oh, look, there's the unicorn speakers. I mean,
Oh, yeah.
headphones.
Headphones.
There's a Taurus phone case.
We got some
Beef jerky.
bling.
Oh yeah, jewelry. There's these. I think these are Paw Patrol. Got a bunch of those. Oh, makeup.
Brushes. They tried to
Brushes.
sell them for a penny, but no one wanted them.
I would have bought them if I was home for a penny. All different little packages of candy, lollipops. Look at that troll. That was. I bet that was a $20 one.
Yep, 20
Those are real
bucks.
popular now. The Hot Wheels one. I bet that's a $20 one.
Oh yeah, man, the Hot Wheels one.
The Crayola. That's the one.
That's the one where she
that
was
made
like,
me
"I'm getting
decide
in."
I had to go in.
You guys can see that.
There's the one with the giant.
So we're gonna give some of them away, and then we'll take them apart probably and sell them.
stuff with the flame with the individual toys, and we'll give the candy to either the kids or the homeless camp. And
I don't know. The kids are tired
we'll
of the
sell
candy.
a lot of the toys. Yes.
All right, now
Our
the
kids are tired.
clothes that we got out.
I I got all these clothes. We'll start with the ones I'm keeping. There's this 3-piece outfit. There's this one. This top with this vest. And these pants. And they're all purple. So I have to find someplace dressy to go to wear this outfit. Alright, the next thing, oh, I'm keeping this also. It's a little short jacket with fancy sleeves and a big belt. But look at the sleeves on that. Gotta have it. Alright, that's what I'm keeping for me. Now, we got this long, I don't know if it's like an over jacket
Oh,
or
that's
a
cool.
shirt dress. But isn't it nice?
Oh yeah.
Everything here is nice. I'm not offended. Blech. Then there's this purple blazer.
I like that one a lot, and it fits me.
Yes, we were doing fashion. We were playing fashion show earlier. A long velvety skirt, which probably would fit me, but where am I going to go? Wear a long? Yeah. There was another one that's like a. Michelle said it should be my wedding gown. This one has a little rip in the waistband, but it's very cute and has a fringe. I would have loved that in my teaching days. I like to wear the big blue skirts because you could run, slide, crawl around on the floor and still look like a lady. I like this one a lot too. But I don't need all these long skirts.
So we're gonna sell them at the flea
Yeah.
market or something, or
Someone's
give them
gonna
away.
like 'em. Absolutely. Another pretty skirt. And the ones that have a little bit of dirt on them are just from me stepping on them when I was in the dumpster. Another pretty skirt. Oh, I like this top. It's very soft, too, to the touch. We haven't decided. Michelle may be keeping that one. Look how cute it is, and it's like cut on an angle. I like this top a lot, too. We were discussing who it would fit that we know because it's so pretty.
Mhm.
Oh, this is the dress.
It looks like it was worn. See how it's got pit stains?
Pit stains. Oh, it must have been a return, maybe. Or maybe that's where I stepped on it.
Pit stains. Let's wear it to an event and return it.
Oh,
This is
outfit
what we both love.
Purple skirt with the embroidery on it, bling on it,
With a
with a
blazer.
matching jacket. So we might hang on to that.
That's
if we ever
beautiful.
go anyplace fancy.
That is beautiful.
We really like that. This is a dress with
This is all that we pulled out of a dumpster, guys. So
What was it? City Trends? We have never looked in that dumpster before. I don't know if that store hasn't been there very long, but that's
that
the
looks
first
like it
time,
might be used too.
perhaps. I don't know. But it's very nice. And it has a matching belt. It does kind of smell perfumey. Another gauzy skirt I would have liked back in
Keep
my
it
skirt
moving,
wearing
keep it
days.
moving.
Moving. Another gauzy skirt I would have loved back in the day. Here's the beautiful.
Yeah, this was, I couldn't believe it. It is gorgeous.
This is just unreal.
Wonder
It's
if
got
it
a
was
jacket.
worn or something. It's still got the tags on it.
Right. This is
See, turn it around and look at the tag. Oh yeah, see that tag over there? There you go. That's what I look
You
for,
got the
because then
tag,
people
yeah.
are like, "Oh, I'll pay more than a
right.
quarter for
And look,
it."
it's even got extra sequins in case you lose some of your sequins. But it is so pretty.
is
Look
nice.
at the detail on that. Look at the sleeves. In the dumpster with the plastic still on.
All right, let's move it.
All right, I'm trying.
I'm so tired now.
I am too. I didn't even take a nap like someone I know. It's another little top. It has a little spaghetti strap inside attached. It's very pretty. But okay, this one. I like this one too. It has zippers on the shoulders. I think that would look good on you with black pants. Another white gauzy skirt. I like this one a lot.
Nice.
And this is the blazer I stepped on initially getting into the dumpster.
It's nice.
It is. It's very nice.
Herman Geist.
And this one, character. There was a Calvin Klein. Which one was the Calvin Klein?
Purple
I forget.
one.
The purple one was the Calvin Klein. Some decent brands and some pretty clothes, so I think the ladies will be eating that. Oh, one more. Eating that up at the flea market when we get there. This one is a real cool fabric too. It's real like
It's so
slippery.
This is our haul, guys, and you saw all the metal. We just stopped at one dumpster, and this is what we got out of it.
I can't even believe all that fit in one dumpster. It was never ending. I cannot wait to go through these and sort out all the clothes.
Thanks a lot for coming along. See you next time.
For another super score, I hope.
Bye-bye.
Show me so I can do it. Bye-bye.